This is our third attempt at explaining the difference in power measured at the back wheels with a different rolling diameter and a different weight and a different tyre combination. And every time we put something up about it, there's always someone that gets upset. This time this young lady was really upset, saying that clearly we must have changed something in the tune to get the difference of 20 kilowatts. So we've got this vehicle, which is our demo 79 series, brand new standard wheel and tyres. I've got a 79 that we've got here. Swapped them, dynoed it, swapped them back, dynoed it again. 20 kilowatts difference. There you are. That's all there is, folks. No changes, just the tyre.
We thought we'd do a comparison again, even though we have done it before. Prove the point that big tyres do hurt power, and even not just size, but even different brands of tyres. So I think this originally had 34.5s or something, 35s, so where it made the 220 kilowatts. So we thought we'd just bolt on some standard wheels and tyres, and you can see there it's picked up close enough to 18-20 kilowatts and nearly 100 newton meters. So the thing's gone to like 238, 239, nearly 240 kilowatts and virtually 900 newton meters, up from around the 800, 810 that it had before. Yeah, tyres definitely do make a difference. You got to remember the rollers are measuring power that's getting to the rollers. So obviously if you've got big tyres, they consume a lot of power just spinning them. The results are basically on the same day. We just took the car off, changed the wheels, back on, and you can clearly see the results for yourselves.